Over the past decade, our lives have moved online. Whether it's Google Maps, Amazon, Facebook, Yelp, or Uber, we are increasingly dependent on the internet and our smartphones. Businesses and their customers have also moved online, which makes your online reputation more important than ever. This also begs the question, what is online reputation management? ORM is the process of building, monitoring, and repairing the digital content that appears when you or your company is searched on the internet. Essentially, how do you ensure that the trust, positive energy, and relationship capital that you have with your clients and friends in real life is represented accurately online? The emergence of social media allows negative content and even false information to be shared easily amongst large numbers of internet users. This could be an offensive comment on your Facebook company page, a fake or negative Google review, or a past legal issue. 86% of people said they would pay more for services from a business with higher ratings and reviews. The confidence of existing and future clients depends on your positive press and digital presence. Reputations are everything.